If you're experiencing an installation loop while trying to play Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and unlock the game. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. If your hardware is below the required specifications, it may cause installation issues. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve software glitches. Restart your computer to clear any temporary files or processes that may be causing the installation loop. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam or GOG, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Disable antivirus and firewall. Your antivirus or firewall may be blocking the installation process. Temporarily disable them and try to install the game again. Remember to enable them once the installation is complete. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the above steps do not work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Cyberpunk 2077. This can help resolve any persistent issues that may be causing the installation loop. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing Cyberpunk 2077. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.